My husband has continued to fish for the freezer, and we've got a nice little catch that he has cleaned and processed, and we're getting ready to prepare it to put in the freezer for the winter. And I'm going to be using our handheld food saver device to get it put away. And this is a good time for me to celebrate my 45,000 subscriber milestone by giving away a handheld food saver vacuum and a set of bags to go along with that. So let's get that started. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. And please take note of the apron that my husband is wearing. It's got his little moniker on it that says Big Fish. It's another day of Vlogtober, and who knew that I would be bringing to you another catch for the freezer. So he's already got them filleted and cleaned, and now we're just going to get them processed to go into the freezer bags. So to celebrate my 45,000 subscriber milestone, I am going to give away this handheld food saver device and a package of storage bags to go along with it. So how do you enter to win? All you have to do is leave a comment. And then on Thursday, just before my Thursday Homemaking with Purpose show, my assistant, Mickey Blue Skies, will randomly choose a person from the comment section, and then I will announce the winner on my Homemaking with Purpose show. And then you'll have 2 days to respond back, which means you'll need to send me your address by email. And if you don't do that within the 48 hours you're given, I'll move on to the next person on the list. And this video was not sponsored. I purchased the handheld food saver and the set of bags myself from Target. So how many do you have, dear?
14 bags.
14 bags. Okay, our freezer's gonna be looking pretty good. I swear by this Clorox kitchen cleaner. To see more episodes of Prepping with Denise, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my prepping stories or one of my homemaking stories, and I will see you next time. Be sure to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.